So what I'm going to train on right now is how to put a part in inventory that is not in inventory. This training is critical. This is where accuracy comes in. Accuracy is a priority. So one thing that you do need to know when you input parts, there's ways to make it easier to put them in, okay? So when you're out there looking at a dozen parts or 25 or 50 or 100 parts, there's a simple system that I want you to use. It looks like this. Stock number, part, notes. Everyone uses the same system. Works very easily. Stock number 1771. Spindle, left-hand side. Stock number, hub. Stock number, strut. Stock number, caliper. Notes, 4x4. Next vehicle, 1886. I got a door. I got a window. I got a handle. It's a left front. Oh yes, this matters. Nice white door. Okay, when you're putting parts in inventory from scratch, this is how you want them to be. If you're trying to figure out if something is tagged in the yard and you don't know, and you're making yourself notes, you can't find it on the barcode scanner, so you're making yourself notes. Some other things that might go over here. Some other things that might go over here is location. Joseph, right? I saw you doing this yesterday. A1, A1. Location. All of this is in A1, A1. Nice white door. B7, B2. All three parts, B7, B2. That might go over here in your notes. Here's what you don't want to do when you're putting parts in inventory. This will mess you up, I promise. 1771. Spindle, hub, caliper, strut. 1886. Door, window, outside door handle. Oh yeah, this is a left hand. This is 4x4. This is a left hand white. This will mess you up, I promise. This might seem like the right way to do it. Trust me, the right way is the accurate way and the quickest way. This might be quicker to write it. Probably not. Might be quicker to write it because you don't have to draw the lines. But when it comes to putting it over here in the computer, I promise you this way is faster. Trust me on this. This is how I want you to do it. This will get you in trouble. This will have you inventorying parts incorrectly. This right here, it's very easy. Once you've got it done, you do that. Once you've got it done, you do that. Right on down the line. Just keep on going through it. And it's done. And you can keep on moving. This right here gets tricky. For some reason, this is where I see people fail. Don't do it this way. Do it this way. Draw your lines, keep it simple, it's nice and clean. Here's the other thing. This is very easy for someone else to pick up on. Don't be selfish. Make sure your handwriting is legible. Really important, don't be selfish. This is easy for someone else to pick up on. They can clearly see what you're doing here. Don't be selfish. Make sure your handwriting is legible. Any questions on this? Can you all see why I am training on this? Make sense? Okay. Last step here, or next step, or final step. If you can't get 100% on all of these, here's how I'm going to say this. If you cannot get 100% on all of these 3-letter part codes, if I tested you right now and you cannot get 100%, it needs to go through one more person before it goes back. It needs to go through our yard manager, Anthony. Okay, so after you put all these in inventory, line them out so it's easy for him to come by and check it off. That's correct, that's correct, that's correct. That's wrong. That's correct, that's correct. That's how this should go. Okay? That is a step that has to happen. What's that called?
Quality control.
Quality control. Final step. Quality control. That's the final step of this. Make sure that step doesn't get skipped. Okay, this is how we stay out of trouble. This is how we keep our accuracy at 100%. This is how we grow our accuracy to 100% is what I should say. This is how it gets there. This is how it gets to 100%. If there's no more questions, that's my complete training. If there's any questions, please ask. This is going to be a SOP. Going to sign on it. So if you have any questions, now's a great time. All right, let's roll. Have a great day, guys.